If you want to use a memory card on the Samsung Galaxy S26, if you have a micro SD card and you want to use it with your S26, then unfortunately you will not be able to use it with the SIM tray. There is no way to insert the micro SD card into the SIM tray because the micro SD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. So the only option realistically is an additional accessory that looks, for example, like this. Essentially, this is a memory card reader, and this one is quite huge because it has 3 slots, but there are smaller ones that have only microSD card slots, so this is most likely what you need to use. And the idea is that you connect the microSD card into the memory card reader, and then you connect it to the phone, and then you can easily access the storage. With the USB-C cable, of course, you should be able to connect it to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. Now, of course, I understand that this is like of course, not the ideal solution. It is probably something that you are not looking forward to use because it is inconvenient to, of course, walk around with this accessory in order to just have the microSD card usable with your Samsung Galaxy S26. However, this is pretty much the only solution if you don't want to mess around with like a computer or something. So yeah, this is just the only thing that you can do. And of course, it is inconvenient to use on a daily basis, so most likely you want to use it only when you want to either access some files that you have on the memory card, or maybe you want to simply transfer some files. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.